Imagine being able to predict your company's next big opportunity before it happens. Imagine dashboards that explain themselves, or data that cleans itself up before you even touch it. That's not the future. That's AI-powered analytics, and it's already changing how every smart business makes decisions. If you've ever wondered how AI can actually help you understand data instead of drowning in it, stay tuned because in this video, we're breaking down 5 ways AI is completely transforming analytics, and how you can use these same tools to make smarter, faster, data-driven decisions. 1. AI makes data talk. Literally, let's start with something incredible: natural language analytics. In the past, if you wanted a sales report, you'd have to ask a data analyst or write SQL queries yourself. Now, you can just ask AI. Platforms like Power by Copilot, Tableau GPT, and Google Looker Studio AI let you type or even speak questions like, "Show me our customer growth this quarter," or "Which product line had the biggest drop in sales?" And in seconds, boom, AI gives you the answer in plain English, often with a chart or graph. It's like having a personal data assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and always has your answers ready. This isn't just convenient, it's a revolution. It means anyone, not just data scientists, can explore insights directly. It's democratized analytics powered by AI. 2. AI cleans your data automatically here. A secret: most analysts spend over 60% of their time just cleaning and preparing data. That means fixing typos, removing duplicates, matching formats, all the boring stuff that eats up hours. AI tools like DataRobot, Trifacta, and Azure Machine Learning now handle this automatically. They detect patterns, spot missing values, and even guess what you meant when your data looks inconsistent. Think of it as autocorrect for massive spreadsheets. This changes everything. Instead of wasting time on manual cleanup, businesses can move straight to insights and decision-making. AI doesn't just make data smarter, it makes you faster. 3. Real-time insights that never sleep. Imagine your analytics dashboard updating live, alerting you the moment something unusual happens. Maybe sales in one region suddenly spike, or customer engagement drops at a specific time of day. With AI, that's possible through real-time analytics and anomaly detection. Tools like AWS QuickSight-Q and Google BigQuery ML constantly scan streams of live data and alert you to trends or problems as they happen. It's like having radar for your business. Instead of reacting after something goes wrong, AI helps you predict and prevent issues before they cost you money. That S, not just powerful, it S the difference between surviving and thriving in a data-driven world. 4. Predictive and prescriptive analytics, the future of decision-making now. This is where AI becomes truly mind-blowing. Traditional analytics tells you what happened. AI analytics tells you what will happen next, and even what you should do about it. Predictive analytics uses machine learning models to forecast future events based on past data. Prescriptive analytics goes a step further, recommending specific actions to reach your goals. For example, an AI tool might tell a retail store, if you lower the price of product X by 10% next week, you could increase sales by 22%. That's not magic, it's math, powered by machine learning. Industries like finance, marketing, and logistics are already using predictive analytics to optimize supply chains, reduce churn, and identify new markets. And soon, predictive AI will be as common as spreadsheets are today. 5. Storytelling with data, visuals that write themselves. Let's be honest, not everyone loves staring at spreadsheets. That SY visualization is so important, and AI is taking it to a whole new level. Platforms like Narrative Science, Power by Copilot, and ClickSense don't just show you graphs, they explain them. They generate automatic data stories. Simple narratives that say things like revenue increased 12% this quarter. It's mainly driven by strong performance in North America. These aren't just summaries, they're insights anyone can understand. It makes analytics human again. Executives, marketers, or even small business owners can finally understand their numbers without needing a data science degree. That's the beauty of AI. It turns cold data into clear stories. Why this matters now? We're entering an era where data is currency. But raw data is useless if you can't interpret it quickly enough to make smart moves. AI analytics bridges that gap. It turns massive, messy information into clear, actionable decisions in seconds. It's what allows small teams to compete with giant corporations. what enables startups to spot opportunities first, and what helps professionals save hours every single week. Real talk, this is just the beginning. We've just scratched the surface. AI is evolving so fast that soon, analytics will feel less like a task and more like a conversation. You'll be able to talk to your data, visualize complex insights instantly, and make informed decisions before your competition even knows what's coming. The companies adopting AI analytics now are the ones leading tomorrow. And individuals who learn how to use these tools today, they'll be the ones shaping the future of business. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by endless reports and confusing dashboards, remember this: AI isn't replacing analysts. It's empowering them, freeing humans from the grunt work so they can focus on what matters most: creativity, strategy, and innovation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on AI tools and technology. Share this video with someone who still thinks AI is just a buzzword. Because the truth is, it's already here, and it's transforming the way we see the world of data. Thanks for watching, and remember, the smartest decisions start with smarter analytics.